Hello everyone. Today we're going to add an electronic signature step to a document workflow. Depending on your industry, recording signatures might be a critical step in the document review cycle. However, these signatures can be difficult to collect if your tools are not up to the task. With easyDITA, we've streamlined the entire process so that you can add eSignature steps into your workflow easily. This means that you can have peace of mind that every piece of content is approved by the proper individuals and that you are audit ready at a moment's notice. Let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is contact your customer success manager and request that the eSignature be added to your instance of easyDITA. Once the eSignature feature is added, you're ready to use it. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple eSignature workflow. I'll then show you what the eSignature looks like from the perspective of the users. As always, we'll start from the dashboard view. Along the sidebar, you'll see here the Assignments tab. Select Assignments. Now click New. An Assignments tab will pop up and you can fill out relevant information about the assignment, including the summary, the due date, and email alerts. For step 2, you select the workflow. Your workflow can be as simple or as complicated as needed. You can have one workflow with multiple author and review cycles, or a simple workflow with just 1 or 2 steps. To customize your workflows, just contact your customer success manager and they'll help you with the perfect custom workflow. Now that I've selected the eSignature workflow, it's time to assign the step to the appropriate individual. I'm going to assign this to myself. Now, we'll need to select the content that requires a signature. You can add individual topics or an entire map, which holds multiple topics within it. Select Add Topic, and this brings up the file picker view. To keep things simple, I'm just going to select the single welcome topic. If your content includes any variable content, you can include a context map to resolve those variables. Now click Create. And there you go! We've created our first eSignature workflow. You can select the assignment to see its status. Okay, at this point, the responsibility shifts from the assignment creator to the individual who's actually assigned to add an eSignature. They should receive an email notification. Now from their perspective, it'll look something like this. Now that we're in our email, you can see that there's an email here with a notification that includes a link to the assigned content. Let's click on that link and review the content. Okay. Now that I've had a chance to look at the content in question, I can absolutely affirm that it is ready to go to market. So now I'll select Mark as Complete, and this brings up a window for completing the eSignature. I can add any comments, and here you'll see that there's a space for a passcode. Now this is another example of easyDITA's prioritization of security. The passcode is sent to the inbox of the step assignee. Now, this passcode is only valid for 30 minutes from when you select Mark Complete. So let's go back to our email inbox and open up the email. All right, let's refresh. Okay, let's open up this email. And you'll see here, there's a passcode. Let's copy that passcode and paste it into the space. Okay. Now, finally, let's check this box to verify that we are electronically signing this document. Now select Sign Document, and there you go. Now our document has been electronically signed. To verify, or to get these records in case of an audit, you'll need to see the signature details. To do that, you can go back to the Assignments tab and find that particular assignment. Now you'll see here on the right side, there are 4 items. The assignment, which we are currently looking at, the document source, which is a downloadable version of the DITA content itself as it existed at the time of the signature, a PDF version of the content that you signed with the basic template applied, and the eSignature details, The document source and PDF serve to verify what the content looked like at the moment of signature. We're going to open the signature details. The signature details will include the username of the signee, the signature used by the signee, the timestamp, and the IP address of the signee. Additionally, you'll see this comment, as well as the path or file location of the signed file. Now this timestamp might appear confusing, but that's because it's a Unix timestamp. This is used because it is hyper-exact and can show the moment in time down to the millisecond. Now, we've learned how to create a workflow assignment with an eSignature included. We've also seen how to complete this workflow and how to retrieve all of the information surrounding that signature that you might need. As always, if you have questions, you can contact us. And if you'd like to learn more or see our other videos, you can visit easydita.com/video-tutorials.